Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. It has been a while since I featured a MTech product here on my channel, but I love to get back in time. So when I started collecting knives, I got a bunch of MTech knives because of the design and the price, of course, and I didn't know that much about knives, so it was a time for me to explore and gather experience. But last time I visited my local knife shop, I saw these two, and these are the same model. I had to pick them out and share them with you. So I will be talking about the MTech Ballistic line, and the model number is MX-A827. Okay, so why did I pick up these knives? So if you can see right here, the scales are made of the plastic with this honeycomb design, and I love the gunner grip. This is a gunner grip texture, it is called, and I have a few gunner grips from Strider knives. This is a custom from Dwayne Wire, and this is a production RCC with the same, not completely the same, but a variant of the texture, and these are very nicely grippy, so they will not leave your hand on an accident. And when I saw this construction on this plastic, I had to get them just for that. They will provide excellent traction. Okay, so these are assisted opening knives, so you have a torsion bar inside, and it will help you to open the knife with ease. So the construction, like I mentioned, is made out of stainless steel liners with a plastic, so some kind of injected nylon, and CNC'd to this texture. The blade steel is 440C. Here's the model number, steel variant, and also what is a USA premium design, handcrafted in China. I don't know if they are handcrafted, probably they are machine crafted, but maybe some finishing touches are put with hands, of course, maybe QC. So both of them are functioning without problems. One fires a little bit harder than the other one, but that is how it is. Okay, so we have a overall length of 20 centimeters or 7.87 inches. The handle is 11.5 or 4.53. The blade is 8.5 centimeters or 3.3 inch. We have a blade width of 2.7 centimeters or 1 inch, and the blade thickness is 2.5 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. We have thumb studs and also a flipper. Flippers are really popular nowadays, so this is a really nice functional EDC design with a beautiful drop point and combo. blade. So right off the box, they are really nicely sharp, so you don't have to do any kind of maintenance. They have only one mounting option on the pocket clip, but it's a decent bendable pocket clip, so you will have no problems to carry this knife and put it inside your pants. Just keep in mind that the roughness of the material can damage your if you are wearing more expensive trousers or maybe expensive pants, then maybe this is not the great design or great knife for you. But then if you have expensive pants, then you will probably have also an expensive knife. maybe not. So just the last day I did browse a little bit on the MTech knife designs, and they are offering a hell of a wide range of knives with different kinds of colors and handle scales and blade configurations. So I don't know how much they have now in the catalog, but it must be over 100 models. So they did develop a huge model number count through the years since I started collecting them back in 2006, 2007. So yeah, well over 11 years. Okay, so, and like I mentioned, these are great for gifts and also for your maybe tackle box or your car, if you just want to have a knife ready and not to carry it with you. That this is one of the great options. The pricing, they will go around $20. On some places even less, depends on where you're purchasing them, but usually the MTech knives are not expensive. They are a budget or value product, so yes, you can get a few of them, and don't be worried. Maybe if you are losing one, then there is no problem to replacing it. One thing I forgot, the weight of the knife is 121.4 grams or 4.3 ounces. So this was the MX-A827. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply. And as always, thanks for watching and have a nice day.